Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a bear, so let's start. Draw the circle and the arms and the body. And the circles for the ears, and another circle. Draw 2 circles for the feet, and another circle inside. Draw the circle, and another circle, and draw the face. And the smile, and the nose, and make a big tummy. Draw the cheeks. Now make the rocks. Draw a big rock. And another plant. It's color time. Plants green. Color the cave gray. The bear brown. First, color the face. Color the cheeks pink. It is finished, Lord. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.